So another little test drive here with my Turbo-look Traga. We're gonna shift up all the gears and shift them down. The shifter bushings, everything was replaced by Fabian Prato when he did the engine. So I'm gonna put it in reverse. I'm gonna put it in first gear. I'm gonna put it in reverse again. So no grinding there. So the starter was the first gear. Second. Oh. Okay. Third. Fourth. And fifth. Now some downshifting. Fourth. Third. Second. And first. So no grinding, shifting up and down, shifter is really tight, and clutch is new, transmission shifts perfectly fine.